Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Holden Colorado LTZ dual cab ute, stock reference number 4436. This shape runs from the first month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the chrome left-hand power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. We have a pair of factory-fitted side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good Falcon tyre. Factory-fitted sports bar with all fittings. Factory-fitted soft tonneau cover also with all fittings. Right-hand tail light. It's got a mint chrome park sensor type bumper bar, factory fitted 3.5 tonne rated tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage, camera above the handle type, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right rear door has one small dent, right front door also has one small dent. Right power door mirror in chrome indicator type, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. Has a black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory MyLink, media player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.